Most people get this wrong when reviewing MoneyLion. They look at the cash advance feature and stop there. But in 2026, MoneyLion is much more than a simple cash advance app. The real question is whether it actually helps your finances or quietly costs you more than you expect. In this video, you'll learn exactly what MoneyLion offers, its biggest pros and cons, who it's best for, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's get straight into it. MoneyLion is a financial app that combines banking features, cash advances, credit building tools, investing options, and personal loan offers in one place. For many users, the biggest attraction is Instacash, which can provide eligible users with a cash advance before payday. For example, let's say Alex gets paid next Friday, but needs money for an unexpected car repair today. If he qualifies, MoneyLion may allow him to access part of his upcoming paycheck early. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. Getting access to money quickly isn't the same as improving your financial situation. That's where many people make mistakes. One of MoneyLion's biggest advantages is convenience. The app is easy to use. There are no mandatory fees for standard Instacash advances, and some users can qualify for larger advance limits than competing apps. It also includes features like direct deposit accounts, credit monitoring, and credit building products. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While the advance itself may not have mandatory fees, faster delivery often comes with extra charges. If you need money immediately, those fees can add up over time. Many users start using cash advances for emergencies, but end up relying on them regularly. This is where most people fail. Instead of using Instacash occasionally, they begin treating it like extra income. That's never a good strategy because future paychecks become smaller once advances are repaid. Let's talk about who should actually consider MoneyLion. If you're looking for an all-in-one financial app, want access to credit building tools, and occasionally need short-term cash flow support, MoneyLion can be useful. However, if you're frequently borrowing advances every month just to cover regular bills, that's a warning sign. In that situation, focusing on budgeting, emergency savings, or debt reduction may provide a better long-term solution. And here's the easiest way to evaluate it. Ask yourself one question. Am I using MoneyLion as a tool, or am I depending on it to survive until payday? Your answer will tell you almost everything you need to know. So, is MoneyLion worth it in 2026? For occasional use and access to multiple financial tools, yes, it can be a valuable app. But if you're constantly paying for faster access to your own paycheck, the benefits become much less impressive. The key takeaway is simple. MoneyLion works best as a backup option, not a financial strategy. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest financial app reviews, and let me know in the comments. Have you used MoneyLion, and would you recommend it in 2026?